Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be replacing this door lock molding on my Matrix. What I got going on is when I want to lock and unlock the door, for example, the switches are going way inside the door. And it's a pretty easy job. All you're literally going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a mini flathead, and a flathead with some electrical tape. So we'll go ahead and pop this out. It's already halfway out anyway, so this will just come out by hand. Otherwise, what you can do is take a flathead screwdriver with some electrical tape, kind of like this, and then just be very careful prying it out so you don't damage your door. But once it's out, this is where the problem is. So first, just to be safe, go ahead and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then go ahead and take a mini flathead like this. Disconnect your switches. There's just a little tab right here you push in with that mini flathead, and it should come out relatively easy after that. And then on the switch itself, you just have 3 Phillips head screws holding the molding in place. We're just going to take the switch itself off and transfer it to this one. So let's go ahead and do this. I do have a pair of pliers to hold the broken piece in place while I remove the Phillips head screw. And here we go. Here's the first screw. Okay, and then here's the window switches without the molding. We'll go ahead and throw that to the side. And then we'll just transfer it over to our new one. Or at least the new to me. And there we go. Now, should definitely be able to lock and unlock the doors and roll the windows up and down. There we go. Let's go ahead and put this back in the car. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug this back in. Also, going to your wiring harness, your tabs, you want to slide them back like that. Then, just go ahead and plug them in. And there you go. Then, just pop it back into place. And done. Then, reconnect your battery terminal. And just make sure everything works. Okay, it's coming unlocked because I have the key in the ignition, so that's all right. All right, and all are going down except for this back window, but I think that's because I have the door panel off. Gotta take care of that. That'll be another video. Definitely one of the easier repairs. Now I can go back to drinking coffee and working on my other projects. Also, I invite you to come check out Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. Link to this week's video will be in the description. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.